I'm Leo Tamares, Senior Account Specialist from EB Group. What makes Trinity special is its commitment to its people as shown by the company's core values and the wide range of opportunities it offers for growth and development. Despite the challenges, Trinity stands by its employees, offering stability and support. During the pandemic, for example, the companies provided transportation, implemented a hybrid work setup, and extended additional assistance to ensure everyone's well-being. With a welcoming and supportive atmosphere, Trinitarians, as we call ourselves, share a strong camaraderie which extends beyond tasks to include fun events and team-building activities. These events strengthen our bonds and allow us to celebrate both our successes and the journey toward achieving our goals. Apart from that, Trinity supports my professional growth by offering opportunities to learn and develop new skills. With training programs and the encouragement of our executives, I feel confident in expanding my expertise and advancing my career. Overall, the work environment at Trinity is one where I feel supported, engaged, and continually motivated to reach new heights professionally. This commitment to employee care and resilience is what truly sets Trinity apart.